2010 Lowe Angler 1467 walkthrough. This boat comes with a Honda 8 horsepower motor. This Honda 8 horsepower 4-stroke motor has a 5-year warranty. This 8 horsepower motor comes with a pull start. It also allows you to control between forward, neutral, and reverse. The handle, which can be turned for various speeds, can also lock in place for trolling purposes. There's also a swivel driver's seat, as well as Scotty rod holder. This 1467 boat is 13 feet 11 inches in length. It has a beam of 67 inches and a bow height of 27. This boat comes with built-in storage on one seat. The other seat can be opened up to use as an ice chest or a live well. This boat weighs approximately 377 pounds and is rated up to 5 people or up to 1,058 pounds. This boat comes on a black caravan trailer. If you have any other questions about this Lowe Angler 1467 walkthrough, please visit our website at www.boatcountryusa.com.